Hey guys, Nagaraj SK here and welcome you all once again for this series of learning C programs. So in the previous session we discussed how to write a C program for finding whether the given number is prime or not. And now in this session we will be discussing about how to write a program to find the number of and sum of all integers greater than 100 and less than 200 that are divisible by 7 using for loop. This is the experiment number 7. Experiment number 7 we are doing in this session. So let me begin with the problem definition here. The problem definition is something like this: write a program to find the number to find the number of and sum of all integers greater than 100 and less than 200 that are divisible by 7 using for loop This is our problem definition. What we have to write? We have to write a program to find the numbers of and sum of all integers greater than 100 and less than 200 that are divisible by 7 using for loop. What is this, right? We have to find all the numbers which are divisible by 7 from starting from 100 to 200, that is from 101 to 199, that is greater than 100 is nothing but from 101 and less than 200 is nothing but till 199, and all those numbers from 100 to 200 in between that which are divisible by 7 we have to identify and we have to sum them. We have to add those all the numbers using for loop. This is our problem definition. So let me begin with the code here. That is, so I'm considering here some variables int I comma sum equal to 0. Initially sum equal to 0 because we are finding sum also of all the numbers which are divisible by 7. Initially sum equal to 0 I am taking, then, and we are not expecting any user input here because already there is a condition that 100 from 100 to 200, that is a constraint. From 100 to 200 we have to identify the numbers which are divisible by 7. So just what I'll do, I'll have a printf statement here, printf p is small, printf, then the numbers, what I'm adding here, the numbers divisible by 7 are as follows, that is slash n. In new line I'm printing them. So after this I have to print the numbers from 100 to 200 which are divisible by 7. So for that I'm making use of for loop here. For I equal to 101 I'm taking because the condition is greater than 100, that is nothing but from 101. Then I less than 200, then I plus plus. So this is our condition. Then under for loop what I'm doing, if that given that I value I mod 7 equal to 0, then sum it. that is nothing but sum equal to, initially sum equal to 0, sum equal to sum plus I, because we are checking the number divisible by 7 and we are adding that number. So then print that number, print the sum, print, that is print f percentage d, percentage d in double quote, percentage d, and I'm making a distance here, giving a space between the numbers, that is 8 characters using slash t, then comma I, printing that particular number, then which number is divisible by 7, that I'm printing here, and before that I'm adding that number to the sum. This is our logic, and after this what we have to do, we have to print the sum of all integers greater than 100 and less than 200. So outside this for loop, what I'll do, I'll print that particular output. I'll print that printf the sum of, I'll take it in new line, slash n, the sum of all integers greater than 100 and less than 200 that are divisible by 7 is percentage d, because that sum will be an integer number, percentage d, then where that sum is storing, in the variable sum, then semicolon and the bracket, and run this code and check whether this gives the proper output or not. So click on the run button, click on the run button once again. Oh, there is an error expected semicolon before for line number 14. Where is the 14? Okay, this before for is nothing but here semicolon is missing, so add that semicolon and rerun once again. Yes, that's great, we are getting the output here. What is the output? The numbers divisible by 7 are 105, 112, 109, 119, 126 and so on. These all the numbers are divisible by 7. The remainder will, after dividing these numbers, the remainder will be 0 by 7. Then the sum of all these numbers is 2107. The sum of all integers greater than 100 and less than 200 that are divisible by 7 is 2107. This is the output of this program. So if you are having any doubts, please do ask your queries, and please check this code, please go through this code, and if you are having any doubts, please feel free to ask your questions, and I'll be helping you out definitely. And thanks for watching.